Welcome everyone, Ed here from the Great Indoors, and today we are at Four Winds New Buffalo, the mothership, playing the Lightning Link version of Best Bet, betting 50 cents. We just made it to the bonus round. I'm about $28 into this machine, so hopefully we can recoup some of those losses. Let's give it a try and see how it goes. Hope everyone's doing well. Okay, there's $1.26 there. Very cool. Would be cool if we could re-trigger with the Lightning Link feature here. Up to $1.76. Just keep it going. Oh, that would have been nice. All right, I think we just got into the lock and leak mode here. Very cool. All right, press the start button. Wish me luck, everybody. All right. Yeah, we drove 4 hours to get here, and tomorrow we're going to be going to Chicago to check out the sights there. Pretty cool. I don't know what happens if we fill the screen, but the gentleman next door to me had almost the whole screen filled, and he had a nice little bonus over there. Still doing pretty good. And I got to meet Tom and Laura from the Tom and Laura T&L slots. You guys are awesome, man. You showed me around the casino. We're going to go out to dinner later on. Pretty awesome stuff. Okay, we got one free spin left. Let's make it happen. All right, we are still alive. Ooh, good one, $1.50. Very cool. Let's get that filled in. We got 3 shots at it. Okay, there's one. Oh, one more try. Let's get it, make it happen. All right, well, what's cool is we are still in a bonus round. So we had a bonus within the bonus. $4.50. Nice. $11. And again, like I said, we are already in a bonus round. So let's speed that up. We're up to $12.76. And I think we just re-triggered some more free games. Let's see what happened. We got 5 more free spins. All right. All right. There's a little bit more over there. With this game, you can't speed up the counter. You got to let it play itself out. That's a good one. Very cool. Up to $15.98. And this was betting 50 cents. That should be something right there. Very cool. Oh, double tap that one, sorry. Okay, final spin. All right, good job. We needed that. $17.33. Very nice. Hope again you guys are doing well. Thanks again for watching The Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle. We're up to $29.43. All right, give it another spin. All right, I'll bring you guys back if I make another bonus round. We are back, and I'm down to $12 out of that, but I am back into the Lock-in Lightning Link feature here at New Buffalo's Four Winds Casino. And one of them is actually a $7.50 and a $5. So that was a pretty good trigger there. Okay, let's see what we can see. I'm already happy with what I got. Even if I don't get another one over here, I'm feeling pretty good about it, you know? Not that I don't want to get another one over here. Let's see. All right. Oh, there you go. I got what I asked for. No more. 50 cents on that one. That's actually a better bonus than the last one. Considering that hey, how you guys doing? There's Tom and Laura. My second bonus on this machine because you guys were behind me, okay? Tom and Laura from the TL Slots with Michelle.
We're here with Ed and Michelle.
And a $19 win here at New Buffalo's 4 Wins Casino, betting 50 cents. Nice. They were just behind me videoing one of their videos, and then now I'm part of their video. Pretty cool, pretty cool.
Really awesome. We're here at 4 Wins Casino, New Buffalo, Michigan, keeping the winnings rolling.
Yeah. Now I'm starting to feel good because we're finally hitting the bonuses over here. All right. Oh, yeah. There you go. On that note, I'm going to cash out. Thanks again for watching The Great Indoors, everyone. Have a great indoors day. Bye-bye.